Today we're on a very special nature walk, and in the background you can hear music, and in the background you'll see an artist who's painting from the elements in the earth, and her name is Ulrike Arnold, and she's out here in Utah for a couple of months using the earth in her creations, and she gets the paintings done here in the outdoors, in nature. Each of us has a creative element. Each of us can use nature to inspire us to go to a whole different level. And I share this with you because it's really been the message since I started doing these nature walk talks for so long. Perhaps she'll inspire you. Thanks for joining me for another nature walk talk.